खंयचे डॉक्टर तो जीएमसी आता तू खंय आहा ना पूण तो कितें आशिल्लें ना पूण इंजेक्शन वॉर्ड इंजेक्शन कॅज्युअलिटी दी ना कसलें इंजेक्शन हाडाचे ते हाडाचे आयज ओपीडी बंद ना न्ही वॉर्डानूच ते करपाक जाय हांवें कितें सांगलें तुका हय पूण तें कळ्ळें म्हाका पूण तें फुडें जा पूण विशय कितें घडलो तेणी तुका गायड केलें अरे who's the CMO here? CMO कोण आहे? CMO कोण आहे? Who's the CMO? Where is the CMO? All of you, where is the CMO? Where is he? Call him. Fast. तू CMO? तू CMO? तुका उलोवपाक सारकें रीत येना आतां प्रेसाचो एक मनीस आयिल्लो इंजेक्शन मागपाक यू कॅनॉट गायड हिम प्रॉपरली You learn to control your tongue. You're a doctor. Don't force me to act. Put your hands out first when you're standing in front of me. I generally don't lose my cool. But you have to behave yourself. However much you're loaded, you will talk properly to the patient. And guide the patient. Urban health center and चल, हांगा चल म्हण तू कित्याक रावला हांगा मागीर? कित्या खातीर जॉब घेता गव्हर्मेंटान? उलोवपाक रीत आसूंक जाय तुका. तूं डॉक्टर तूं. मास्क काड पयली म्हाका तोंड पळोवंक जाय तुजें सांबाळून एका सस्पेन्शन ऑर्डर काडा एंड किक हिम आउट फ्रॉम हियर दीस डॉक्टर्स डोंट अंडरस्टँड unless you understand you're here to serve humanity. You're not here with your bloody ego. I am telling you what I'm saying. You're not authorized to speak when I'm speaking. You please go. दूसरा CMO घाला. I'll issue the note for suspension. You get out from here. That's it. Out from here. And don't report back because as long as I'm in me, not in you. You're a doctor to serve the poor people here. I am suspending you. When the inquiry is initiated, you give your explanation. Eka suspension, I want him relieved right now from here. Ask him to get out from here. Bhasha हांव वापरता एकदम नरम. And German, I am telling you, you listen. Go home. Go home. You can go home. They let the residents and senior residents. You go home. I am telling you to go home. अरे I am telling you to go home. एका घरा वचून दी नाल्यार सिक्युरिटी धरून भायर मारतलो तुका. एका भायर काड हांगाच्या. As the MS, you please see that he is not here on duty today. Send him home just now. You just understand one thing. You're dealing with me. I am telling you, first learn to shut up when I'm talking to you. You can be anything. You want to file a case, go and file a case. But I am telling you, you're suspended from right now. And you go when the investigation starts, you give your explanation. That time I will consider whether I want to take you back or not. Other next 2 years, you'll be suspended and you'll remain as long as my tenure is. Poor people are to be served. I am asking you, telling you only this thing, that poor people are to be served. I don't want to listen to you. When I make up my mind, I don't want to listen. I don't want to listen. I am suspending you from this moment. Go home before my blood pressure boils and I take some other action on you. You will not be in service from. You go from whatever. I also work from morning to night. I want you out from here.
But nobody came from.
Eka Watsundi, Eka issue instruction that I have said that he is being placed under suspension. Don't open your mouth when I am talking. Send him right now and issue him a direction that he should not report. I am suspending him right now. कितें सांगू आतां तुमी म्हाकाच सांगता एका सस्पेन्शनचे हांव फाल्यां नोट धाडटा सस्पेंड लोकां कडेन उलोवपाक ना
सर आज विजिट केली GM
हय विजीट केली यो डॉक्टर विजीट केली एक पेशंट्स बी आशिल्ले थोडे पळोवपाक आयिल्लो मुद्दम आनी मेन म्हणजे कितें टायम टू टायम आमचे डॉक्टर्स बी सगळे बरें काम करतात तांकां कितें खंय कितें कमी लागता जास्त वयर सकयल जाता तें पळोवपाक आनी आयज लोकांचे कंप्लेन एक CMO एक डॉक्टर रुद्रेशाची ताका सस्पेन्शनाची ऑर्डर हांवें दिल्या असले डॉक्टर जे गरिबाची सेवा करूं शकना तांकां कांयच काम ना हांगा गव्हर्मेंट सर्विसान काम करपाक आमी मंत्री म्हणून आमी काम करता पूण हे असले परिस्थिती घडटा तेन्ना एक्शन घेवचें पडटा आनी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजचे डॉक्टर एकदम बरें काम करता पूण केन्ना केन्ना असले बी विचित्र प्राणी निर्माण जाता की करतलो कितें